Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. I have my good apple cider vinegar and I have one lime, but I'm gonna use half of this lime. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm making a detox water, and this is with my apple cider vinegar. And guys, this remedy here, it's good to flush your system. It's a good detox. It's good for infection, bladder infection and yeast infection for the ladies and even for the man. It's a good colon cleanse. It's good for burning tummy fat like belly fat. And the lemon juice is also, or lime juice is also a good fat burner. It's good to treat like mucus and phlegm and all those bacteria. So both of them together combined, it's a good detox remedy for your body. It's gonna clean you, it's gonna build your body. What you can do, if you don't want to drink it down, you can when you're having your bath, you can put few spoons in it or a few corkful, and you make the water not hot and not cold, just warm, and you're gonna sit in it. All right, you're gonna wash up that private area, that peri area. All right, it's good to tighten down in the ladies private area, the VJ. You're gonna tighten it up, and it's gonna make it have a clean scent, guys. It's gonna make it fresh for any activities, and it's good for the man them do the same thing. Pour a little bit on your rag and dilute it, or put it in the water and flash it up and wash the thing. Make sure it smells fresh and nice as well. All right, it's good to fight bacteria, I'm telling you. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drink some down. So let's get into the video. All right, I'm gonna use about a cup of water. You can use the tap water, the bottled water, it doesn't matter. So that's about a cup, and I'm gonna squeeze half of this lemon juice in it. Squeeze the whole thing. If you don't like it, you can squeeze just a little bit, but I like to squeeze half. And then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. If you don't want it to be that strong, 1, 2. If you don't want it to be that strong, you can add 1. And that's it right there. That's all it takes. You can go ahead and you can drink this down. You can drink it for 7 days, or you can drink it however you want, on and off. But guys, what I'll do, and what I always do, I try to drink stuff for at least 1 week to make sure it works, and then I'm gonna ease off it, because apple cider vinegar also, it will be harsh on your stomach walls, so you don't want to live on it, guys. You're gonna clean your system, you're gonna detoxify your body, and you're gonna make your body ready for whatever nutrients and protein and all of that you're gonna put in it. And after a while, you repeat the process again. All right, so this is it, guys, and I'm gonna drink it down. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to love upon me, and I love upon you. Like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed. Part 2 is coming up. I'm gonna show you another way how you can detox your body and how you can lose weight fast. All right guys, bye guys.